Hello my friends, it's Aki here. It's been almost a month since I got my first 3D printer, and in today's video, I thought it'd be cool to share with you what I printed for the past couple weeks. Let's begin with these ones right here in green. I have a spatula, a tool to disconnect the AMS unit tube, as well as Benchy, the bolts. I print them out in green because I don't really like the color that much, so I thought if it's just gonna be tool, then I'm just gonna use up all the green filaments. But regardless, these ones are almost 100% infill, and I'm really surprised by how strong it is. Next one is the Gomu Gomu fruits, devil fruits from one of my favorite anime, One Piece. Again, I found this model online and I thought, let's test out how well the printer handles these curves and what appears to be soft texture. And it turns out it handles pretty good, like exceeded my expectation. It looks really fluff, it looks like a cloth, but if you look closely, you can see some layer lines, especially the one at the top. So what I think the printer does really well, it's the side with the way how it's like oriented. So the side definitely appear the smoothest, whereas the top, you can start seeing some of the topography kind of pattern going on. And the stem is detachable from the fruits, like that. The stem doesn't look the smoothest, so what I'm gonna do later, I'm gonna actually sand this, and I want to try painting it in just acrylic without any sort of primer or anything. Oops. The third item is still a work in progress. It's the very trendy, popular iPhone standby dock. And when I saw it, I knew I have to print it out because this thing just looks so clean. The way it works is that there's a loose piece, and if you push it down, it kind of pops the iPhone out. Oh, one more thing, this thing is printed at around 10% infill, and it feels a little bit lighter than I would like it feels a little plasticky. So if you're printing this out, I recommend using maybe 25% instead of 10. And also, because it's so light, it kind of slides around on the table. So you definitely need a rubber feet to stop it from moving. These ones are from the Bambu Lab P1S printer. And last item here, at first it appears to be an ordinary box with Legend of Zelda pattern on it. Check this out. At first it didn't look like anything, but as soon as you put some sort of light source inside, all these pattern on the wall just start looking really nice with highlights and shadow, and it almost looks like it's 3D. It's definitely not flat. I mean, it's got like concave in and out, but I found it really amazing. As soon as you turn the lights on, everything just comes together. We have Zelda, we have Link, the warrior, and we have Ganon, and we have a map of Hyrule, I believe, at the top here. The bottom is just flat. Hey everyone, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I've really enjoyed 3D printing these so far, and I'm really amazed by the quality. I can't wait to experiment more with it, so let me know what you think in the comments below and what you like to see more of, and which print was your favorites. My name's Aki, and I hope to see you in the next video.